Hello cookies, and welcome back to another video. In this video your girl gonna show you I posted a short on my day off, and I didn't include everything I did in my day off, but I just gave you a glimpse of what your girl be doing on her day off. But I did pick up a few things that I wanted to show you guys. This strap I bought from the Coach outlet. It reminds me of a belt, and trust and believe your girl will wear this around her waist. It has Coach on it here. It's leather. I'm pretty sure this is leather, and it just reminds me of a belt, but I have it on my leopard Cassie. I thought it looked so cute on here. In fact, I did carry my Cassie. In fact, my next video, maybe, your girl be saying, but anyway, I'm going to do a video on a couple of my leopard pieces. I only have a few, but I thought it would be good for the fall season. And I carried this bag the other day for a few days for work. And this bag is my Dooney and Bourke. You can see the Dooney patch. I carried it on this strap like this. And of course, I had my bag weighted down. What is it called? It's the editor's tote. Yeah, editor's tote in the color navy blue. There's the little tag. And I love this bag. It still smells amazing. The leather on here smells amazing. I love the handles on here. You can carry it like this, but usually it's too much stuff, but I will carry it by my hand. It reminds me of a banker's bag. Look at the patch. It's about 13 inches high and 13 inches across. This is what it looks like. It's amazing. I love this bag. I think I did one of my first videos. Look at that duck. This has this, I do close it sometimes with this. This is what it looks like in the inside. It has the zipper and then the slip pocket. And then it has the inside middle compartment. Look at all that rich leather on there. It's amazing. It has this trim. And then in the front, it has the traditional one larger pocket and then a smaller pocket for like your phone or your pens or something. It does have the traditional key keeper. I'll insert some footage of the inside of the bag, or I might do a short on it. But yeah, I love this little nylon bag. I've had it, I don't know, I can't remember the video. I'll link it down below, but it was like one of my first videos showing my obsession and my love of Dooney and Bourke. Me and my sisters had went to the outlet, and this is one of the bags I picked up. I think I picked up 2 bags or something that day, but I had a really good time. I also wanted to show you guys, I do have something from Coach. You gotta wait and see that. It's so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. My Crosby backpack, I have it right here on the table. I've been playing around with it. I gotta figure out a bag organizer for it because it's so floppy when it's empty. And I'm not really feeling that. But, your girl all over the place. But anyway, this is a couple accessories that I did carry with it. I have this pencil case. In fact, I bought another one by accident. I forgot that I had this. I have my pens and stuff in here, my fingernail file. And I carried it with my Dooney and Bourke wallet. I love this, that you can take this off. This is a nice touch. These removable. It has the little leather trim. These are so nice. It has a slip pocket, plus it has credit card slots, plus it has a zipper in the inside. These are amazing. I think I have a couple of these. I do have a Dooney and Bourke backpack to match this Greta print, and it fits in there, as you can tell, pretty good. So yeah, I just moved out of it today because I want to move into something else. But anyway, I picked up this Coach wristlet. I loved all of the ornaments on it. It's got stars and hearts, moons, and the studs or whatever. This is so cute. It's like dark It looks like a dark coffee color in the inside. I love the leather on here, the pebbled leather. These are so nice. You know, this is kind of good and bad. It's like annoying, but it's not. I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to take this off so that I can reuse it again, because I like to use it sometimes, but then sometimes I don't want it. But this is a nice piece of leather. Like, what can you do? So also, I ordered this bag, and I've been wanting to open it for you guys. I ordered it from, you guys may have seen this guy on YouTube where he takes like a Gucci bag or a Coach bag or a Dooney bag, and he cuts it up, and then he goes in the inside and talks about the material and how much it costs. I think the name is Tanner. This came from Spain, so I'm curious to see what this looks like. Oh, look at this. I ordered it in blue. I didn't anticipate it would be this small. But look. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's such a pretty blue. Oh, and it's like, this is it. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Look at the ties on here. Oh, and it's leather. It's like raw leather in the inside. And it has a pocket in the back. I'll get some footage if you can see that pocket. So yeah, this is from, I guess he has a little company that makes bags. And I love watching his videos. I'll insert a clip or something of his video or a picture of him so you guys can know. And then it has this that goes at the bottom of the bag. And what does it say? Handcrafted in Bourke, Spain. So then this keeps the bag shaped. And this is something I was thinking about for the Crosby, using something like that to keep it stationary. You see, it sits. Oh, this is so cute and darling. Oh, I love the blue. Oh, too cute. Let me know what you guys think. It's like the simple things. It's cute, but it's simple, and it's leather, and it smells amazing. It has that nice leather smell. Oh, so cute. And then what else did your girl buy? I do have 2 Coach bags. I know, I'm so naughty. I bought these sheets from Home Goods. I love the little bows on them. I think they're so cute. Too cute. So anyway, you know, sometimes your girl be liking flowers and stuff like that. And also, I did carry, I'm all over the place. I'm going to call this all over the place video. This bag, I do have some pictures. This is the Coach Dinky limited re-edition 1974. I think I got this off of Amazon, and I got this little cherry from TJ Maxx. I love the little, even though it hangs longer, it's so cute on. It has this back pocket, and I didn't clean my stuff out from when I carried it the other day. I went to out to eat, but this is what it looks like in the inside with all of my little lip glosses. I got like lip gloss, lipstick. I was going to take my Gucci back to Sephora to see if they would let me exchange it because it broke, and I got Tic Tacs in here, and then I have a bunch of wipes here in the back pocket, and then I have a lotion, and then this is like my favorite little mirror with pills like Tylenol, and then I have my receipts here in this pocket, and then this is where I have my wallet. So this little bag is the cutest. It's like the perfect, you can carry it in your hand. It holds enough, but not too much. And my phone did fit back here. I like it because it's like, what is this leather? I love the twist lock. This is genuine glove tan leather. I love that it's all leather, but they have the pocket that's fabric. The pocket is the only fabric, but this is all leather inside the bag. This is really a great bag. I know they had it in green, pink. I love the old school zipper pull. I got a bag at home that has this old school zipper pull. It's cute. You could put a charm or whatever on it. It's so cute. This is adorable. I love this little bag. I don't really want it to compete with anything because it's like black. It goes with anything. You could put any charm on it. I was a little disappointed that it only came with a shoulder strap and a chain. It doesn't have a longer crossbody, but I can add anything. In fact, I could probably add that leopard strap on here. That would be cute on it. So yeah, this is my dinky. I'm really happy with this dinky. It's so cute. It's the cutest cute. And by the way, my bonnet, if you're interested, I ordered these from Amazon. It has like a fabric, it's like silk or satin lining or whatever. It's so comfortable, and it's yeah, I love these little bonnets, just in case. I don't know. I'll see if I can have a link. And I stopped at Tommy Hilfiger, and I got some khakis. I got beige. I got them in an extra large. They're like wide leg. They come above the ankle. It's like perfect for casual going out. They kind of old lady-ish. They have the little pocket, but I love the material. The cotton is good. I love a good khaki. And your girl needed some khakis, and I picked up a couple sweaters. I love Tommy Hilfiger and Ralph Lauren because they're like classic pieces. And my other khakis are green. I got green and yellow for green and gold, Green Bay Packer, and then I got the blue to go with the brown khakis, because you can't wear red with khakis, otherwise people think you at Target. So you know, I'm just saying, you know, just don't be wearing red with your brown khakis. Well, you kind of suspect a little with blue too, because I think that used to be Walmart colors. But moving on. I don't know why I ordered this. I mean, you guys should know. I just have this thing about cherries. I love the Coach cherries, and sometimes when you can find a deal. I mean, this purse. I don't know. Some of their purses just don't drop in price, but I thought that this one was reasonable. And I'm not sure about it because it reminds me of the dinky, but it has the longer straps, which I kind of like. So let's get into this bag. This one is called the Cherry Swinger Zip Chalk Multi. Here's the tag. And this is another one of those Coach originals. The Swing Zip limited re-edition 1998. So this is it. It has this leather pull tab. Here's the Coach tag with the number. It's so cute. It has feet at the bottom. The straps, they seem like they're adjustable. But so far, it looks like it just fits your girl right off the bat. I mean, you know, you can't do you got to put it on, but that's okay for me. Yeah, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, another piece for my cherries. Let's see what it looks like with the dinky. This one, of course, is bigger, but they have the same slim design, which I like. And it's like a nice everyday carry, just running out, or like appointments or something. Something that you don't need a lot of stuff. But this one looks like it can be stuffed. So I'm just so into this little cherry. This is little cherry. But that's all I'm going to do for you guys today. I do have another, like I said, I have this Coach, and I have a box over there that I have to open. And I want to show you guys something else. So this is so cute. Let me see what the inside looks like. You guys may have seen this before. I mean, when they first come out, you know, you'd be like, oh my God, let me get that bag. But your girl is patient enough to wait for that sale, because it comes with a Coach dust bag. This is, I think I ordered this from the Coach store. Oh, it looks like it's leather in the inside. Let me see. I just love how Coach sends the bags brand new. It's like nobody's hands has touched it. This looks like leather in the inside. And it still has that old school little pull tab here. That'll be cute to put a cherry on there. It looks like leather in the inside. And then it has this card slot back here. It has that peanut butter color. It says, this Coach bag crafted to last. This reimagination of our classics swing zip bag from 1998 was too good to leave in the archives. And then it has this little tag, if you can see the little creed. Oh, it's just adorable. It has this nice zip pocket. I'm sure it has fabric in the inside of the zip pocket. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Cute, cute, cute. I just know so many different outfits I could wear with this. So yeah, I might have to do a video on my cherry collection just to re-show people, or people that haven't seen my cherry collection, just to give you a view of my cherry collection. So cute. So I'll see you cookies in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And your girl will be busy working on videos, so I'll see you soon. Peace out. Deuces.